From the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, this is an ITTV special report.
Blue microphones, you've heard me talk about them several times over the years, are the designers and manufacturers of professional, consumer USB, and portable microphones. They're always doing some unique things, and they're continuing to do just that. The CEO of Blue Microphones is John Maier. John, welcome back into tomorrow. How are you, sir?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me.
It's a pleasure. I think when we last spoke, it was over the phone. You were coming out with, as always, more fun, new things, some great consumer items. A lot of our listeners are getting into their own podcasts and wanting to do them with quality. And we suggest, well, go to bluemic.com, bluemic.com, and you're going to find everything you need there. And you're not letting us down again. Tell me what you're showing here at CES.
Well, we got a couple of things. On the USB mic front, last year we launched Yeti. It turned out to be our most popular USB mic so far, and it actually extends the product line kind of up in technology. So it became our flagship product. We decided, well, you know what? We want to keep the cutting edge. We want to keep that moniker of being the guys who are doing the ultimate USB microphone. So Yeti Pro is our new product. And
love it. And we're showing Yeti Pro right now on the videos, so check it out. Notice on the back, of those of you listening on the radio, have no fear. Slide by into tomorrow.com at your convenience. We've got a gain control and a filter, a pattern filter. Yeah, so pattern selector.
It's the same basic setup as Yeti. So you've got these 3 capsules inside, and you can use them in multiple different ways. What Yeti Pro does is it cranks up the resolution. So this is, as far as we know, the highest resolution digital microphone on the market at any price. It's because it goes 24-bit all the way up to 192K.
Wow.
Which, in technical speak, essentially means it's the highest resolution you can get into a computer.
Exactly. From an MP3 standpoint there, you're going to sound as good as you can possibly sound with this.
Right. And the other little thing that we threw in there for people who have traditional recording setups is we added, and you can see it here, an analog output. So it comes with a cable, and that breaks out into a left and right XLR, so a 3-pin microphone kind of
Okay, sure. Those of us in the business are familiar with XLR, and more consumers are becoming prosumers and wanting to do that.
So now you could plug this into any normal studio setup.
And there's even a headphone jack on the mic.
Yep. Yeah, so and you can control the volume of the headphone out with the control on the mic.
Love it. So now this would be, as you mentioned, studio or one's desktop next to their computer, just so that they're doing their own podcast or whatever, and it's going to sound terrific.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Wow. Well, what else are you showing? And this, by the way, an Innovations Award winner, is it not?
Absolutely. I failed to mention that. That's news.
Well, that's why I'm the host. I'll make sure and cover it for you. So congrats for that.
Thank you. Yeah.
Good job there. What else are you showing?
The other thing is the Mikey category for us. We've done products that, as you know, we talked about it last year, where we've done adding stereo microphones to the iPhone and iPod realm of product.
Yeah.
We've branched that out this year. Flip started a new program with a new port on their cameras, allowing lots of other products to be made for Flip. We've now made a Mikey product. So it's stereo capsule, excellent professional quality recording on your Flip video. So Flip audio is not bad. Sounds great for sort of day-to-day stuff, but this really, really cranks up the experience. And it also has some digital features as well. So
very cool. And these products are available now, the new Mikey, or soon?
The Yeti Pro will be available soon. We expect this month. The Mikey for Flip is probably still a month or 2 off.
Okay.
So we're still putting it in there.
But certainly one of the exciting products introduced here at CES that is, you're not going to have to wait a year to use.
Exactly.
They'll be available very soon.
Yep.
And what else have you got coming around the corner and into tomorrow that you can share with us?
Well, we're playing around on the USB front and looking at some other form factors. So can't really talk too much about it, but we've got some stuff that we think will come down market a bit in a price range to really go as wide as possible, but have still the performance that Blue's known for. So.
And John, certainly with more and more people using portable devices, namely their smartphones of various brands and styles and operating systems and so forth, no doubt you're looking at that as saying, well, we've got to make sure that folks have the ability for good quality audio with whatever they may be doing.
Absolutely. So we've got a lot of fun stuff in the works.
Love it. John Maier is the CEO of Blue Microphones, and visit them at bluemic.com, and you're going to see not only the Yeti and the Yeti Pro and the Mikey series, all the other goodies from Blue Mic. Keep making the cool stuff. Darn it, we keep talking about it.
We will. Thank you, Dave.